Welcome to the new Kerdora. Retirement projections are here. You can now see how much your clients can spend, where their income will come from, how much they're estimated to have, and run what-if scenarios. 8 new interactive visuals help clients see how their financial life fits together. Find anything from anywhere with the new command bar. Collapse, float, or dock your tools with a new interactive workspace. A new practice home shows upcoming tasks and plan changes across every client. The new financials page brings your client's balance sheet, cash flow, insurance, investments, tax, and estate plans together in one combined report. Research a ticker and see which clients hold it and how much each client owns in the new investment research module. Dora can search the web and share the sources behind every answer. Dora can also build a client-specific guide directly from a conversation. A new dynamic onboarding form makes it easier for clients to share what they have. Kerdora now works on phones and tablets with a fully responsive layout, so you can review and build plans and chat with Dora from anywhere. Meet the new Kerdora. See it for yourself. Start a free trial or book a demo today.